guys, what's up? How's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw Pikachu with a pumpkin outfit, and it's for Halloween, and Halloween drawings are amazing. I love this time of year. It's almost over though. We got 7 more days, so let's spread the spirit. Also, I'm gonna put links in the description for the Christmas channel for when that shows up. You can subscribe to that below, and let's get going. So, I am going to throw a pumpkin shape, kind of like that, kind of almost looks like a TV or something. Right there, it's going to be Pikachu's face in there. Eye. Another eye. Nose. Little W kind of for the top of the mouth. It's got that little W. And his mouth is open. And close it off. I draw a line over here for the rosy cheek that we'll color in later. Another rosy cheek circle. Stem for the pumpkin outfit. One of his ears. Other ear. The black tip. And then his black tip on the other side. Then I'm going to throw very light or thin lines for the striation of the pumpkin outfit. And then I'm going to throw kind of a collar on here to separate out his shape. Throw a line down for the side of his body. Down for the other side. Foot. Lower body to the other foot. Hand. Other hand. And let's have his tail sticking out the back. And if you really want, you could actually, well, I'm not going to do it. I was going to throw a thick line out around the outside of it, but I think it's fine the way it is. So I'm going to grab a colored pencil, and I'm going to grab the red first and color in the tongue. And the cheeks. Then I'm going to go with orange, color in the pumpkin shape. I'm using Crayola brand colored pencils. They're not the best kind, but they're not terrible. They're okay. They're very adequate colored pencils, I would say. They work. So whatever you have at home, that'll work. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a brown, which I didn't have on me. Let me check. Brown. A brown for that stem. Here we go. Brown colored pencil for that stem. And you can make whatever you want for the bottom of that. I'm going to make that green. And then I am going to use the yellow to pretty much color the rest of Pikachu. And I kept that one for the last because I knew that one was going to be most time consuming, the yellow. So when you're doing large areas like this, and they're essentially just flat, you gotta remember, this is really fun to do. Like, it really is. It's amazingly fun to color, and you're basically coloring the drawing that you did. It's almost like I said, like you're coloring a coloring book that you made. And it can be really rewarding. So I want you to remember how rewarding kind of that is. And once you have it done, just think that that's something that you created. You know, I know that I'm here helping you out, but I mean, you did that. Whatever you have as a result, you did it. So I hope you do a lot more of it too. It's a great hobby. And I've been doing this for, I don't know, about 10, 15 years. Can't remember. And you never stop learning. That's the one thing I noticed. I'm still learning, you know? And it's really, really fun and rewarding to actually keep learning as well. I can't stress the fun part. The fun is really exciting. What do you guys want me to do next? There's only a few more days till Halloween. I believe there's like 7 days or something, or 6 days. What do you guys want? I'm gonna try to post 2 videos a day. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys had a great time, and I hope you guys do enjoy this video. So I will see you guys in the very next Halloween drawings video, and talk to you soon.